Alright, welcome to another trade recap. In this trade recap, we are going to basically cover up yesterday's trade and as well as today's trade. We got loaded on, but we didn't make it because I don't really trade that session, which was the 8th session. So as you can see, yesterday was around London Open, and as you can see, based off these charts, we did get a showing before. We did have an 80% bullish, and we entered. We did a fair value gap here. Did go down, had a little back, and then it went up. So we did enter in this part. So if we hit on replay, start new. So this is the setup. This was the setup that I saw, and then I did my executions. We entered our stops. We risked $270, and then we take profit on our next draw on liquidity. So this was a 4-hour trade, which was pretty cool. Depends on your where you're trading and how you're trading. You want to either set your take profit to the next draw liquidity, which will depend on where your fair value is shown and how your strategy is. So on this, we had a 4-hour trade. Sometimes you can, with my strategy, which is trading fair value gaps, I go between 1 to 4 just to round it out. Depends on the and how it's played out pretty much. So we hit buy there and let it out. So we got tapped in there. We did make money around here. I did go break even around this mark. So we stopped at around the 2 mark-ish, which was again my error, but like 300, which is, I would say, in my opinion, is happy days in my books. And I let it round to see if it really would hit this liquidity, and it did at that time. So as you can see, 2968, which is somewhere around, it should be here, but we'll just let this plus. It should hit our take profit, which was, I'd say, it was a good set, good trade, good execution, just poor play out in my book. And we hit TP just that, good execution, good play out. We would have made around under $1,300, $1,250 in around 20 minutes. I would say it's perfect, which is like the quickest money I would probably have ever in my entire life. So that was today's trade in the London session. We go back. Let's hoping it's still recording. Yep. If we go back to today's trade. So if we go to today, this was around 11. If we hit play, it should tell us an alert. Yep, as you can see. Alright, hold up. No. This one's going to hit my stop, don't want to worry about that. Just again, just to make sure, this was the London session. As you can see, 30-minute wick from the bullish, 67 bullish high. Jordy was hit, and our sponsor was our fair value gap. Set up here. This will be our take profit, and we set it. Risking grand, but would have played out. Hit sell. Tap, and this is how we would have played out in today's Asia session. Just like that, we would have made a grand on that session again. So in honors books. I'm glad I didn't take it because it wasn't, but it would have worked out, which means my strategy is slowly improving and improving. And that's what I like about this trading strategy, because it's helping towards making me good at trading and how I should manage my psychology and risk management. So other than that, was the 2 trades covered, yesterday's trade and today's trade. Other than that, see you in tomorrow's trade recap if we have any trades or not. Peace.